Hey, it's me, Carline, anglade-cole, and oh my goodness, you guys are catching on to this, right? You're loving this Which One Won series that I've got going on for you. Thanks for the feedback. Keep it up. Keep sending me comments because I'm an ENFP and I need your energy, and I get it from you, and I promise I will give it back to you. So in this episode of Which One Won, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna talk about something a little bit maybe a little awkward, okay? But that's okay, I love awkward. This is for a product that's called Advanced Vein Support. And it is about hemorrhoids, okay? It's about hemorrhoids. So I had to launch this product to get it out there to market because there are people who are really having some serious problems with hemorrhoids, right? So we decided that we're going to go ahead. The client was Health Resources, and they asked me, Carline, come on, what can you do for us here? And I'm like, I think I can do something. So came up, I think in this case, we have 4 cover tests. And the 4 cover tests are the first one. I thought, let's just go right to the point. What do you have? What's the number one problem you have when you have hemorrhoids, right? So I put in the headline, finding it hard to sit. Okay, so just bringing it up. I thought using a female was probably better than a male in this case, just because it's it's a little embarrassing, and I think that females could relate to this. And I think the market was skewed a little more on the female than males. So I thought, all right, let's go for it. We have a finding it hard to sit cover, just going straight for the actual problem. And then the second cover was more of a revealing, shocking truth, very simple approach of the shocking truth about varicose veins and hemorrhoids. In fact, if you currently suffer from varicose veins, spider veins, or piles, see your cardiologist immediately. So tying in the fact that it's not just about the veins here, there's some bigger issue happening. Could this be the cause of America's epidemic of heart disease? So thought that would be an interesting, intriguing cover for it. Very simple design. So that was number 2. Number 3, just ask the question, when was the last time you thought about your veins? And then show different types of veins on the cover, showing that, regular veins and hemorrhoids, kind of similar. And then it says you take supplements to protect your heart, your brain. A little typo here, but we left it alone. Your heart, your brain, and a bunch of other organs in your body. But what are you doing about your veins? So that was just who thinks about their veins, right? I don't. So I thought let's try that approach. And so then the third one, it says, here's how you want your anus to look. And this was interesting because I have read somewhere that literally if you pucker up like this,
you don't see that every day.
That is what your butthole should look like. That is what a nice anus should look like, is just puckered lips, nice even little ridges and everything else. It's amazing how the body works, right? Your lips and your anus are identical in so many ways. So I thought, that's interesting. Here's how you want your anus to look. And then that was the cover test number, no, that's number 4. I'm sorry, that was number 4. So that was the 4th one that we had. And I will tell you right now, my favorite one was, here's how you want your anus to look. I'm going to just tell you that up front. That was my favorite. But now it's time for me to tell you what the market decided. So which one won? Let's look at them again. Was it the finding it hard to sit, or the shocking truth about varicose veins and hemorrhoids? Or when was the last time you thought about your veins? Or number 4, here's how you want your anus to look. All right, I already told you what my favorite one is. All right, so what do you think? Which one won? You're pretty smart now, CopyStar. What do you think? What do you think the market picked out? Drop it down, put it in your notes. I can go back and look down and see what you're thinking, and why you're thinking that way. Let me know why you would think the cover you chose is the winner. I'd love to hear back from you, okay? So, all right, are you ready? Ready for my fake drum roll? The winner is, when was the last time you thought about your veins? Once again, proving that I should never try to decide what the market wants, because I love the lips one. Like I told you, that was my favorite one. I had fun writing it and learning about that whole concept, but didn't matter. The market chose that cover, And that cover launched the product and was the control for probably about 2 years. So, pretty interesting, huh? Kind of fun, right? Play this game with your friends. Play this with other copywriters. This is what's going to help strengthen your skills, just trying different things. If you see, my covers were very different. And I didn't know which one was going to win, honestly, and I never know which one's going to win. So I put out good opportunities for my market to tell me which one that they win. And remember, if you are the copywriter and you write these cover tests, it doesn't matter which one won, as long as you get one winner. If you get that one winner, you're awesome. Okay, so hope you're loving this. Until next time, listen, subscribe to this channel so you can get more updates on when new episodes are coming out. I put them out as I feel like it. So got 7 already. Woo, that's pretty cool. Who knows? Let's go for some more, right? So subscribe, please, to this. I also have an ebook. It's called Which One Won? How to write kick butt how to write kick butt headlines and boost response. That is an ebook that if you're interested in it, you can go to my website at www.carline-cole.com and click on the tab that says ebooks and get that book. You'll have a whole lot more to choose from. But if, until then, hey, come join me next time for another episode of Which One Won, the YouTube version.